Hello my dear students, I welcome you all in the new lesson Matter, Solid, Liquid and Gas. In this lesson, we will learn about matter is made up of particles, three basic states of matter. We will explain how solutions are formed and we will differentiate between physical and chemical changes. Matter is made up of particles. We have already learned that matter is anything that occupies space and has mass. Everything in this world, including plants, animals, human beings, air, water, rocks, soil, plastic, metal, wood, and paper, is matter. A particle of a substance shows all the properties of the substance. We cannot see particles with our naked eyes. If we take few sugar crystals and crush them with the help of a rolling pin, the sugar crystals break down and form a powder. If we will observe this powder through a magnifying glass, we will see that this powder is made of even tinier particles. Properties of particles of matter. The particles are very tiny substances that cannot be seen with the naked eyes. The particles of different substances have different shapes, size and mass. The particles in different substances are arranged differently. We have learnt that matter exists in three basic states: solid, liquid and gas. All the three forms of substance consist of particles of the same type. It is the arrangement of particles and their movement that is different in each form. Let us learn more about it. In solids, the particles are closely packed. There are strong force attraction between particles. These forces hold the particles together. There are no space between the particles to move around, so they cannot move away from one another. Thus, solids have a definite shape and size. In liquids, the particles are less tightly packed. Their forces of attraction between particles are not as strong as in solids. However, the forces are strong enough to hold the particles together. So liquids have a definite volume. There are spaces between particles to move around. This allows liquids to flow and take the shape of the container they are put in. Liquids have a definite volume but no definite shape. In gases, the particles are loosely packed. The forces of attraction between particles are very weak. These forces are not able to hold the particles together. The particles move quickly in the directions and fill all the available space. So gases do not have definite shape. There are large spaces between particles to move around freely. So gases neither have a definite volume nor a definite shape. So thank you my dear students. In next module we will learn about solutions, physical and chemical changes, types of solutions, saturated solutions and many more. So we will meet in next module.